COBOL tips and code open. Type listing report in Excel. Checkcon. Hi everybody, this PPT was made by Nestor ACHA. The notes will be read by the automatic voice of Word Office. Thank you very much for being interested in seeing it. Report files. In these presentations, we will not use print reports, we will only record output files with fields designed to be displayed in Excel or any other specific application to visualize data. The report files will have a title and then the information records. Please remember, learning and doing. We will record a report file with employee data recorded in our employee master file employee. The fields will be separated by, and the title of each field will be the same length as the field, so that they fit well in Excel. The design of our report file, called File Report. The first two lines of title will not be recorded so as not to complicate the presentation. Type listing report program page 1. Asterisk remarks. Report indexed master employees file. Asterisk program type listing report in Excel.
Select employee. Select file report.
Type listing report program page 2. Numbers 1, 2 and 3 of this series of videos COBOL tips and code OPENCOBOLIDE have dealt with the type of listing programs that are very similar in their logic, if not the same. Learn the logic explained, which will be useful on many occasions if you dedicate yourself to COBOL programming. Result of execution. Here we show the result of the execution. You must obtain the same values. Report file. TXT type report file to be imported into Excel for data visualization. Note that the fields are separated by the comma character. Importing the report file into Excel. Open Excel. Select the Data tab. Text/CSV. Select the report file rep0003.txt. Import. Do not detect data types. Carry. Please use the Do Not Detect Data Types option. Copy row 2 of titles to row 1 of titles in the table, then delete row 2, then expand and center the columns manually. For sure there are many other ways to do it. Explaining the program. Please focus only on the program we are studying. Try to master this pattern of listing report program, which with some small changes can serve you for many real-life processes. Remarks. Report indexed master employees file. Asterisk program type listing report in Excel.
identification and data areas.
Program work area, every lister report. Program has classic fields of work. Output area for the report. Program logic area. Main flow is the same for any type listing program. Start process is similar for any type listing program. Program logic area. Route process is similar for any type listing program. END process is similar for any type listing program. Theory applied to the this type listing report program. It is opportune to review an interesting theory that tells us the following. A listing report program runs a startup process once and once. A listing report program runs the record process n times, with n being the number of records in the file. A listing report program executes an end process once and only once. I would call this video learning and doing, although I will try to explain what you will need to program productively. We will study the three main processes of a type listing report program: beginning, process, and end. The logic is very similar to any listing type program. Theory applied to the this type listing report program. In the start process of a listing report program, the following must be done. 1. Get the date and time of the system. 2. Open the files. 3. Validate that they opened well. 4. Read the first record of the file. 5. Write the first title if required. In the record process, the following must be done. 1. Move the fields of the read record to the exit. 2. Write the data to the output. 3. Accumulate 1 to the record counter. 4. Read the next record of the file. In the END process, the following must be done. 1. Write the control totals. 2. Close the files. 3. Validate that they closed the files well. 4. Finish the program with stop run. The latest. An expert COBOL programmer has programmed schemes that he will reuse according to the situation, but what must always be maintained on good practices such as underline paragraphs, a good indentation to align verbs and words, pick from, to, value. Use preset field names with W if they are working, with R if they are report, with T if they are tables or totals, with F if they are files. Use only letters, numbers, and hyphens in names. Use a lot of commentary helping to understand who is going to read our program. All these recommendations can be searched on the web and should be of additional use to the standards of the installation where you are working on. Thank you very much for your attention and good luck.